Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, leather seats, technology package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2016 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, home link garage door opener, floor mats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.